Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your TradingView chart settings to default for beginners. First, go to your chart. Now, once you're in your chart, click the gear icon at the top right of the chart. And here you can see template. Click this, apply default, and click OK. Second, remove any indicators. Click this one, remove indicators. And that's it. Your chart settings are now back to default. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more trading view tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.